Hello students, class 12. Let's start our English study today. Poem 2, second poem today. An elementary school classroom in slum. This poem it's written by Stephen. You know, he have here explained about the situation of poor student. Stephen Spender. Okay. The poor student situation in slum areas school. You know students, a lot of means places as rural places having no enough quality of the means you can say sufficient quality of the education, and moreover mostly you know particularly in rural areas, slum areas means uh, persons having no value of education. They have no care about the education. Even education is the backbone of success. Okay, education is very important for the life, and poet here expresses in this chapter about the means poor condition of slum areas, those very thin students who not well nourished also. And he have also expressed in this poem means he wants to improve the condition of those children whose future in very dark. Okay, let's start the chapter. An elementary school in classroom in slum areas. What is the situation of classroom and actual situation of student of that school, slum areas school, is very poor. Poet here expresses. Okay, and the writer want to communal inequalities in society. You know what is the care, attention towards the poor and slum peoples of politicians. Politicians having also a lot of policies for the poor. Understood? Means they have no care much more about those persons, slum areas whose condition very poor, their children also not well nourished, their health care not be proper, so they unable to study. Okay, and their health care is not proper due to their inherited quality also. If their parents having very weak, having some diseases, cottage diseases, then their children's also be as. Okay, poet here expresses in this in this stanza. Okay, poet here want to attract the attention of country peoples and politicians and all the citizens for the improving the condition of those slum areas childrens. He want to attract the attention of those persons. Okay, and in this poem poet have also expresses the weak body condition and whatever very nervous facial expression of students. A girl also there was very weak, a boy also with his sturdy legs, unable to study well because health is well. If health will be proper, then you can think new things and you can means study more also. Okay, and due to their unwelcomed behavior and unwelcome looking face and their proper nourishment, improper nourishment, those students who are coming on those slum area school was not proper for the study. Okay, and here poet wants to improve the condition of those children and wants to improve the situation of those slum areas school. Okay, and the classroom condition was very poor. The classroom has dirty and muddy wall, means mud wall, it's made by mud wall. And old times, in these lines poet here expresses the condition of those slum areas school. Means they have no proper building also. Their building also not proper. And there were on that classroom a poster hanged of William Shakespeare. Everyone is knowing William Shakespeare. the great dramatist and poet sonneteer in English literature. So William Shakespeare's poster also hang there in classroom, and there were a word map also. Okay, and then it looks like the rising sun, and students' attention also much more, means even outsider world, whatever outside greenery of grass, crops, field, they have no care inside the class, because inside the class activity was not going well. Okay, so the world was not as in students dream. The world is very different outsider world also. you know Students become hopeless because to their future in danger. If they are not well educated and well nourished, then what will be their future? Means their future means going in dusk. Okay, it's seeming like the setting sun looks like as, and those students appear very weak, means bodily and mentally both, due to their improper nourishment and lack of education. Education is, as process, it can develop all round development of the student, but in slum areas it's unable to do all round development. Okay, then the poet also wants for the love and forces, he wants to improve the condition of those students. So he had also commented of politicians who have no care about the slum area. They only came during election time. They have no care what's running, means in gapping time of their politics. Okay, what is situation of their uh, study, what is situation of health care, and what is the situation of food. Okay, so politicians engage in their politics, but poet here wants to catch the attention of those peoples for improving their daily routine and their life of those slum areas students and peoples. Okay, slum areas students, because inside the class nothing, so their much more attention on to, means outward. They were engaged only looking outward, and their future in very danger in dusk, and at last, the kids in dark, means their future in dark. But the conclusion of this poem is that Stephen Spender wants to improve the situation of those kids and those students, and he also wants to attract the attention of all the citizens, politicians, for improving their condition, and he want to make their future bright, and he want to, means carry them towards outward from the slum area. मीन्स वो स्लम एरिया से बाहर ले जा कर के बच्चों के एजुकेशन के बारे में, नरिशमेंट के बारे में, प्लानिंग करने के बारे में सोचते हैं. मीन्स ही वॉज द वेल विशर ऑफ दैट area. Okay, we can say that. Okay, thanks.